here have a carrier air conditioner. We have 3 carriers. This is a serial number of... Ooh, it's 2019. This one's 2019. And the unit 2 is also 2019. It's a Copeland scroll. It has 2 fan blades. And also it's a Copeland scroll. Nice units. This one has a carrier, that's one more. We have a Copeland scroll. Okay. What's... Okay, 2019. Yeah. This is a heat pump, and this is a heat pump. This is a model number 24AAA2560A300. There's dash serial number 1619E01976. Another one is 16190020752 24AAA560A3300. Okay. Okay, the other one unit. And the unit 1. Okay. 24AAA560A0030011 1619E020077. Yeah. This is a heat pump. This is a straight core unit. These are nice units. This is a nice fan motor. Okay. Thanks for watching.